Well, it's certainly been a tough day for drivers once again all across the high country. There have been closures on I-70 and other passes, including Rabbit Ears Pass. Jamie Leary was among those that was stuck overnight due to the storm in Summit County.
Much like yesterday, the wind still seems to be an issue today, blowing a lot of this fresh snow around. Well, the sun finally started to peek out periodically through the day for drivers who spent the night here overnight. It didn't matter. If you don't have a garage, chances are you spent your morning digging your car out.
Well, let's see. Chaotic?
Plow driver Chris McNulty spent the day getting cars unstuck from feet of snow overnight.
Come on, reverse. Turn your wheels to the left.
People were digging out with whatever they could find.
I thought we were only going to get about a foot, but this looks more like 3.
Others simply had to wait for a tow.
I'm stuck right here right now. We don't see snow like this in Texas for sure.
Jason Stevens and his wife were surprisingly in good spirits despite their circumstances.
We came up here for our honeymoon. We're staying over in Woodland Park and came skiing yesterday and got stuck over here. So.
Others, like Billy Stevens, were a little more eager to get out of town.
We were driving and following the snowplow, and then just the road drifted us off.
Wednesday night, he made it to a hotel that had no rooms, got stuck again, and spent the night in his car.
I'm from Southern California.
These trucks are the problem over here.
Tow truck companies were busy, some even stuck themselves.
Today's storm, we have a waiting list.
But for those who live here,
Well, this is what we do up here in Summit.
this is a good reminder to always be prepared when you're driving in the high country. Make sure you pack plenty of food, warm clothes, have good tires, and of course, a shovel. Reporting in Summit County, Jamie Leary, covering Colorado First.